Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix the Ryanair app when it is not scanning your passport. First, check your internet connection. Passport scanning needs a stable connection to work correctly. Now open the Ryanair app and go to your booking. Tap on check-in and follow the steps until you reach passport verification. When the camera opens, place your passport on a flat surface. Make sure the room is well lit and there is no glare on the passport page. Hold your phone steady and keep the full passport page inside the frame. If the scan does not work, try changing the angle of your phone. Some passports scan better when the phone is held closer or slightly tilted. You can also try placing the back of your phone directly on the passport cover and slowly moving it until the app detects the chip. Also make sure any VPN is turned off, as it can interfere with the app. If the problem continues, uninstall the Ryanair app and install it again. Log back in and repeat the check-in process. If nothing works, you can still go to the airport and have your passport checked manually at the document desk. Bring your passport with you and arrive early. Thanks for watching.